From revisiting some tried and true patterns to bringing you new products and exploring new partnerships, our June newsletter has something for everyone. Hey everyone, I'm Jess, the founder of Sallie Tomato. Each month we enjoy bringing you new releases and we hope you enjoy hearing about them as well. And if so, we would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you know when a new video is ready for you to watch. And before I dive into this month's new releases, remember that you can find all of the links to the items that I mentioned in this video in the order that I talk about them, all in the description below. And make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss out on some exciting news. In case you missed it, we had a history in the making announcement here at Sallie Tomato in the last month. It has been so hard for all of us here to keep our Tula Pink partnership under wraps, and now we can share all of the details with you. This signature pink hardware and zipper coil finish, chosen and approved by Tula Pink herself, matches beautifully with her fabric collections. In order to develop the vivid pink color, the hardware itself is first plated with real silver, then coated with the most gorgeous shade of pink. All hardware and zippers will be shipping in September and available at your local Sallie Tomato retailer. In Tula's announcement video on Instagram, she shared a story how we first met at Quilt Market. From my perspective, I was trying to keep my cool because my inner fangirl was going wild. It was a very exciting moment for me, and now to be able to partner with Tula and to create a beautiful line of products together has just been an incredible experience. There is nothing like this stunning pink finish in the bag making world right now, so we are very excited for you to get your hands on some and make some beautiful projects. Christmas came early here at Sallie Tomato. We love putting together our Advent box, and this year we have truly made a box fit for royalty. This year's theme is Holiday Royale. For 25 days, enjoy exclusive patterns and unique gifts from us here at Sallie Tomato, inspired by the opulence and sophistication of luxury to create a memorable holiday experience for you to enjoy. So for each day, for 25 days, you'll unwrap a gift to discover thoughtfully picked fabrics, festive zippers, exclusively designed patterns, and unique gifts to add a little bit something extra to your creative journey. We have a limited quantity available, and the price will increase on July 20th. Sallie Tomato is going to Portugal, and you are invited to travel with us. Cork fabric is one of our signature products, and we are so excited to travel to Portugal to take you to the source to experience it for yourself. You can travel along with Jake and I as we head to Portugal with Craft Tours May 2025. This trip includes round-trip international airfare from New York City to Lisbon, Portugal, first-class hotel accommodations, tours, creative time with local artisans, free time to explore historic sites, unique shopping opportunities in special shops and markets. One of the major highlights of the trip, visiting a local cork farm to learn how cork is harvested, made into products, and distributed all around the world, wine and olive oil tastings, and a private deluxe motor coach throughout the trip. Early bird pricing for this trip ends on July 1st, so if you're interested, be sure to book early. Spots are limited and available on a first-come, first-served basis. We've added a link to more information below. Our newest pattern release is called Gwen, which is a versatile design that fits all styles. This bag can be made dressy, casual, artistic, sporty, you name it. Gwen is the ultimate upgraded version of our free circle bag pattern. We've added a lining, exterior and interior pockets, and complete step-by-step written instructions with illustrations. Gwen's classic and roomy shape with exterior and interior pockets make it perfectly practical. The plain side panels are also a great area for showcasing applique, embroidery, or quilting. The Gwen bag pairs well with our smaller projects, such as the Monroe card case and the Sylvia coin purse. Whether you're running errands or dressing up for a night out, Gwen adapts to your needs and preferences, which makes it an ultimate companion. And as always, we've created a complete video tutorial, so be sure to check that out. And we hope that you add this stylish bag to your closet. We've merged our free pattern of the year, named Ruth, alongside some of the top trends of the year, including apricot crush and zebra print, to bring you fresh kits for summer. The apricot kit includes our new apricot check vinyl with sunstone cork, creating a summery, event-friendly bag for outings. If your style is more on the edgy side, our zebra print kit includes our zebra vinyl paired with onyx cork. Check out these new colorways on our website along with our other fun Ruth kits. Plus, you can find a link to the Ruth video tutorial below, where I'll walk you step by step through the pattern and share lots of tips about sewing with clear vinyl along the way. And if you haven't downloaded this free pattern for 2024, be sure to check out the link below. Custom straps are all the rage right now. We love creating different looks by doing something as simple as changing the bag strap. Our Make a Strap pattern and tutorial take you through all of the steps to make your own customized bag strap with endless possibilities. This pattern includes 4 different strap styles and 3 different sizes, so you are truly able to customize your strap. And at Sallie Tomato, we offer hardware sizes from a 1/2 inch up to 2 inch, along with webbing ranging from 1 inch to 2 inch. With a variety of hardware, webbing, and the Make a Strap pattern, we are here to help you make your bag your own. Our new blogs this month are perfect for helping you get prepped for your summer adventures. This month, we learned more about Splash Fabrics, a great laminated cotton fabric that is non-toxic, durable, easy to clean, and eco-friendly. This great fabric is ideal for bags, along with home decor and apparel. Check out the blog to learn more about their founder, Tracy, and more about their fabric, plus get links to some of the free bag patterns that Splash Fabric offers. We also featured a blog on our tried and true summer carryall, the Backyard Caddy. It is a great summer go-to as well as a wonderful gift-giving option. This caddy is so useful, it is a staple in our summer adventures. In addition to beverages, it's great for organizing snacks, your sewing room, or kids' items. We hope these blogs inspire you and help you get prepared to make lots of memories this summer. Our new product arrivals are oh so sweet this month. Our brand new Fresh Fruit Zipper Bundle includes 5 yards of zippers in new colors and a variety of fruity zipper pulls. We have mango, purple ruby, eucalyptus, banana cream zipper tape with citrus slice, cherries, pineapple, strawberries, and grape zipper pulls. We also have an adorable new jewelry box that fits perfectly into any of your Sallie Tomato travel bags. This sweet jewelry box is made to hold a variety of jewelry pieces and zips closed to keep them safe and secure. Alternatively, use this box for special sewing notions or treasured hardware and keep it close to your sewing machine, or take them with you on your next sewing retreat. You can find links to these fun new items in the description below. Our new cork fabric this month is called Aloha, and we are ready to go to the beach. This design reminds us of sunny days and refreshing breezes that evoke images of tropical paradise. The new Aloha cork print is a truly delightful match for our rustic jade cork. And if you aren't a member of Cork Club, now is a great time to join. If you sign up by July 14th, you'll receive over $75 worth of bonus items over the next 3 months, plus free shipping. We can't wait to see the products that you make with this month's Cork Club, and remember to tag us #SallieTomato on social media. And don't forget that Cork Club members get the chance to win a $100 shopping spree to Sallie Tomato each month for making a project using our cork fabric and tagging us on social media. There is so much goodness included with our monthly subscription box, so be sure to check out all the details in the link below and sign up while we have the freebies available. It was amazing to see so many of our customers at our office and warehouse during our in-person events over the last month. We loved hearing about your bag projects and answering any questions you had. It is great being able to help our customers, show them new products, and get to know all of you even better in person. We had nearly 400 customers visit us from all over the United States. I just want to share a sentimental thank you to all of you who traveled to visit us. And I have a sneak peek to share with you. Starting July 1st, we will be launching our patterns in a new way. No longer are we going to be launching new patterns throughout the year, but instead we will be grouping patterns into fun themed collections and launching them each quarter throughout the year. Every 3 months, we will be premiering a group of new patterns together and featuring them in ways that teach new techniques and styling inspiration. We are so excited for you to come along with us and see what's ahead. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I look forward to stitching with you on our YouTube channel. I hope you have a creative day.